Hey guys, we are here at Burning Man already. Finally, it's been a long journey just to get here. So I was waiting in line for about 2.5 hours or so to get into the venue, and as soon as it was midnight, bitch, I was literally one of the first ones to get into the venue, and I was super excited. It was dark, I didn't know what to do or where to go, so I just literally pulled over and I set up a fucking campsite because I'm like, bitch, it's fucking dark, it's past midnight and I'm exhausted. I went to sleep around 4:30 in the morning, almost 5 a.m, setting up the tents, making sure everything was cute, pretty, unloading the truck. And then after that I took a nap and I made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because I was fucking starving and my head was hurting from just doing the most. Alright guys, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna show you my full camp setup.